Hey everyone, Mr. Foreman is back here with another exciting, cool tutorial. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you about special effects. Now, the app we're going to be using is something called Video Editor. It is a app mainly used for, I would say, more special effects for beginners versus an editing app. So let's jump right into it. So we're just going to do something really simple today. We're going to open it up first. All right. And we're gonna just simply make a still image move, or more so put some special effects on the still image, right? So let's do this. So we're gonna start a new project. I'm just gonna name this special effects, right? This is probably gonna name it number one, and then hit OK. All right. I'm gonna import my image by hitting the add button right here, and then going to from this PC, and then from there I'm gonna find it in my folder. And I'm just going to go to my desktop. Maybe it's in there. Nope. I'm going to go into my digital art folder. Maybe it's there. Yep, found it. There we go. All right. And next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click and drag it into my timeline. Here's my timeline right here. And then I'm going to increase the duration of my picture to like 18 seconds so I can have enough time to make the effects that I want. And then I'm going to simply go to 3D effects right here. Since SpongeBob is underwater, I'm going to make some bubbles. So I'm going to go to my effects and I'm going to type in bubble. And as you can see here, I have two options for some bubbles. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click one of them and let it load up. And since it gave me a thin one, I'm just going to put it by its mouth. Just, increase the size a bit. All right. So if you look down here, you'll notice that you have the blue line. This is the duration of the bubbles. You want to extend that throughout the whole entire timeline so that way you can see it throughout the whole entire timeline. So now when I press play, you get bubbles, right? All right, so I'm just going to bring down the volume a bit and I'm going to add some more bubbles, right? I want bubbles everywhere, so let's do that. All right, and I'm going to do like before. I'm going to extend it throughout the whole entire timeline. So now when I press play, I get bubbles everywhere. Once again, I'm probably going to turn down the sound a bit. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to hit done. And then I think I'm ready to add maybe like a title. I'm going to do something really quick. Probably just add like maybe something like SpongeBob. SpongeBob. And then I'm going to hit done. Down here, you could choose any kind of style that you like, any kind of animation style, and then you're going to hit done. All right. Probably just going to drag it out throughout my whole timeline as well, and I'm going to hit done. And then, last but not least, I'm going to add a background song. So I'm going to choose probably this one, which is perfectly fine with me. And then I'm all done. And when I'm done, I'm going to hit finish video. I'm going to hit export. And I'm going to save it to my files. And it's just that simple. Thanks for watching.